2ForYou is a customer-oriented company based in Prague, Czech Republic, active on Czech and global IT markets since February 2000. 2ForYou Software is a division of 2ForYou, focusing on development, modification, and maintenance of custom software solutions, mostly integrated information systems and database, web, and native business applications. Since the year 2000, when the company started, we grew to a team of around 50 people with customers in 76 countries. From the beginning, our primary business focus has been on creating custom apps for our customers. We use not only but mostly the Claris FileMaker platform to provide results fast. We also often combine various technologies such as databases, web apps, mobile devices, different operating systems including Mac OS, Windows, and Linux, as well as hardware platforms such as Raspberry Pi, Fidgets, or Arduino. Our FileMaker experience goes beyond the company existence. Hansa Koedelka, co-founder of 2ForYou and head of the 2ForYou software, developed his first FileMaker solution back in 1991, 9 years before founding the company. Since then, we have presented at 29 international events and created 28 FileMaker plugins. As a Platinum Claris partner with 5 developers certified at least in FileMaker 18, we maintain high level of expertise and consult even for other Claris partners, including expert advice on FileMaker licensing. In 2008, we started making FileMaker able to gather data from the physical world and control the physical world with data. We have integrated FileMaker apps with environmental sensors, barcode scanners, RFID and NFC readers, telephones, security dongles, printers, payment terminals, weighing scales, servo and stepper motors and actuators, medical devices, LED and LCD indicators and displays, and custom hardware solutions built with Fidgets, Raspberry Pi, and Arduino components. In 2010, we started testing and optimizing performance of FileMaker solutions. 2 years later, we released the first version of FM Bench, our tool that anyone can use to benchmark their solution, identify bottlenecks, and optimize them. Since then, we regularly test and compare performance of different development techniques, different versions of FileMaker, and different client and server configurations, and share our testing results with the community at conferences, blog articles, and online meetings. More than half of all projects we have ever worked on started somewhere else. Customers come to us with already existing apps and solutions where the original developers are either no longer available or do not have enough expertise or capacity to take care of all their tasks going forward. So, we take over and provide the necessary support, advice, development capacity, simply whatever is needed to keep their business-critical solutions operational and up to date. We have service-level agreements with customers from North America, Europe, Africa, Australia, and many different time zones around the globe. Is there anything we can help you with? Schedule a free 30-minute consultation to discuss your needs and get our advice. We look forward to meeting you.